Hi, Paige here from m.a.b.e.l, and I'm here at NextFab today, but I want to talk to you about an upcoming trip I've got planned to Japan that's open to everyone. It's a craft tour, and we'll be 2 days in Tokyo and 6 days in Kyoto, visiting various artisans and makers at their workshops and studios, doing some hands-on activities and learning from them. We'll be visiting some iconic sites and doing some sightseeing. We'll be eating some of the most delicious food you'll ever have. We'll have a sake tasting. The video that follows shows the highlights of my trip that I took testing this out in April. Some of the things we do that we did in April, we won't be doing in November, but most of them we will. I hope you can join us. So we're here at Arrow, which makes silk threads, and we're going to learn more about what they do. But here are some of the examples of some of the things they do. Look at the beautiful sashiko.ありがとうございました。
ありがとうございます。すごい作為的な。
So I line this up with that in the middle.
Okay.
Perfect.
が入ってると、そこに液が入んなかったり、その空気が動いて先に酸化しちゃってそれがムラになります。はい、 たら最初に空気を抜いてあげてください。つけましたか？じゃあ駅の中で T シャツを広げてください。でなるべく T シャツが駅の外に行かないように全部駅の中でやるとより綺麗に染まります。
Oh, Tetsu, you gotta come here because it's turning blue! Woo! Look!
You can see.
Look how it went from being sort of blackish greenish to blue. Oh my gosh. Those are beautiful right there. I just love the way it comes out. It's really hard to see on camera how just absolutely beautiful this blue is. Last bead and starting up here, about 30 centimeters. So we're here at Cohana, the mothership of adorable things for people who sew in Tokyo, in Nihonbashi. And we're gonna go inside so I can show you some of the really awesome things that they have for this spring. I'm really excited about the Sakura collection. I hope you enjoyed what you just saw. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I answer all the questions and comments I get on my videos. You can subscribe to my channel to see some other videos of the various things that I make. And I hope you visit my website and learn more about this trip. It's going to be fabulous, and I can't wait to host you.